So welcome friends, get free SSL certificate in this video for your Namecheap web hosting or any web hosting company which you are currently using to host your website. And after watching this video, you are going to get free web hosting for almost 1 year, even more than 1 year, and you don't need to pay for SSL certificate at all. So just what you have to do is to get free web SSL certificate for your website. Just signing to your WordPress website. If you are using WordPress, it works. If you're not using WordPress, for example, if you are using Joomla or any other thing, then it doesn't work for you. For that, you just have to type a description of this video to get a link. Type at that link in description of this video and purchase from that. If you are using if you need SSL certificate for any other website, right, Joomla, any other SCMS, right, for Shopify or Wix or any other thing. But for now, after signing into your WordPress website, tap at this plugins button. Okay, just tap at plugins button and you will get all these plugins installed in your website. So you can see all these convert table of contents. Let me update all these. But you don't have to update. What you have to do is just tap at add new plugin. Just tap at add new plugin, and then we have to add a new plugin which will install SSL certificate on your website for free for lifetime. So what you have to do is just tap at a really simple SSL. Okay, really simple SSL. Yeah, just wait for some seconds and it will load right here. So no, really simple. The spelling of simple isn't right. So yeah, you can say really simple SSL, simple and a lightweight security. So let me update this and then I'll be teaching you these basic settings to install SSL certificate in your website. So you can see this is updated now. Now I'll go to install plugins and do some basic settings to install SSL certificates. Meanwhile, you can see my SSL certificate is already installed, but I'll be showing you these steps. You can see this is a really simple SSL, and just tap at settings button after installation of this plugin. To get best resources for affiliate marketing and blogging, check the description of this video for free masterclass of affiliate marketing to make some dollars online or start your blogging business. You can see SSL is activated on your website and you still have 9 open tasks. You don't have to open any task. You don't have to complete any task which is paid. Just tap at settings and tap at SSL. You can see SSL is already set up. Just save and continue, and you are good to go. Just save and continue, and you can see I am ready. So after installation of this video, just tap at these buttons and your SSL certificate will be installed. So this is the easiest steps to install SSL certificate for free on any of your website. It doesn't matter whether you are using your hosting as Hostinger or Namecheap.